Ever wondered why some people snore? It's all about how air flows. Several factors can lead to snoring. Nasal congestion from allergies, relaxed throat muscles, extra fat around the neck, which narrows the airway. Snoring happens when the airway becomes partially blocked, causing tissues in the throat to vibrate as air passes through. If you snore loudly, experience choking or gasping for air at night, snoring might be more than just a nuisance. It can be a sign of sleep apnea. The airway becomes blocked for several seconds at a time, disrupting sleep, lowering oxygen levels, and leading to frequent awakenings. This can leave you feeling fatigued during the day, and in serious cases can cause heart attacks, heart disease, high blood pressure, and other health problems. How to stop it? It can involve losing fat, nasal treatments, or even a CPAP machine to help keep your airway open. Like and subscribe for more.